Hi there, this is Sanjay and I welcome you all to this unique English learning class. In today's class, we are going to talk about while. Yes, it is again a very common and frequent word that people use in their day-to-day communication. So today we are going to have some examples and how we use while in our daily usage sentences. So before we go ahead, let me explain you the meaning for while. While is a word that we use when two things are happening at the same time and we need to connect these two sentences to each other. We use the word while. It is same like when, but when we use generally in simple present and simple past tense, but while we use when something is going on in continuous way. For example, while coming home, I went to meet my friend. Or you can say, can you drop me while coming back to home? So while you use when you are having a verb with ing form, right? I always watch TV while eating food. You must speak English while thinking in English, right? So while is a very common word that you can use in your day-to-day communication. Some people get problem, they don't understand, or maybe they make a mistake like which word they should use. Maybe they should go for while or when. So they both are having a different meaning. Like when we use when we have like a present or past, like simple present or simple past. However, we go for while when we have two connections between sentences, when we are adding the things in a continuous way, right? Let's have some more examples so it will make more clear concepts in your brain. While eating food, you should not talk. I got a phone call while I was typing a letter in computer. While speaking English, I always think of many words in my brain. While coming back to home, my father brings vegetables. While let me think more examples. You can say while learning English, you should focus on grammatical concepts, right? So these are the examples, and I hope it is much clearer for you now to use while. It's a very easy word, and I would like you now to write down the difference between while and whereas. We have one more word which is whereas. I'm not going to explain you now. I would like you to write down the difference of while and whereas in the comment box. If you don't get it, then I'll explain you in the next video. So this is all for today, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much.